Here is our list of the best riding lawn mowers you can buy right now. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. The Cadet XT1 stands out as a well-rounded machine designed to handle medium to large yards with both power and convenience. Featuring a wide 46-inch cutting deck, it efficiently covers large areas, making it ideal for properties up to 2 acres while remaining surprisingly easy to maneuver. Its tight 16-inch turning radius allows users to navigate smoothly around trees, garden beds, and other obstacles without repeated stopping or reversing, saving time and effort during mowing sessions. Powering the XT1 is a robust 23-horsepower gas engine that delivers strong consistent blade performance for clean, even cuts across different grass conditions. The hydrostatic transmission adds to the comfort and control by enabling seamless speed adjustments without manual gear shifting, making operation simple even for beginners. For longer stretches of mowing, the push-button cruise control helps maintain a steady pace, reducing fatigue and improving efficiency. Additionally, the tractor offers 12 adjustable cutting height positions, giving homeowners precise control over grass length to match seasonal needs or personal preference. Overall, the Cadet XT1 combines strength, precision, and user-friendly features into a dependable lawn tractor that balances performance with ease of use, making it a practical choice for anyone looking to maintain larger lawns with less physical strain and more consistent results. The Greenworks 60-volt 42-inch zero-turn mower offers a powerful and eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered machines, combining strong performance with modern battery technology. Driven by an electric motor comparable to a 24-horsepower gas engine, it delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime, which many long-term users confirm is sufficient for mowing properties up to 2 acres. The mower operates using 6 high-capacity 8-ampere-hour batteries and includes 3 dual-port chargers that can recharge the batteries in about 90 minutes when using fast charge mode. A standout feature is its flexible battery system, allowing users to run the mower on 3 batteries while the remaining 3 recharge, ensuring minimal downtime and continuous operation. In terms of performance, it reaches speeds of up to 8 miles per hour, provides adjustable cutting heights ranging from 1.5 to 4.5 inches for customized lawn finishes, and even has the capability to tow loads up to 200 pounds, adding to its versatility. While not without minor drawbacks, such as occasional traction issues on uneven terrain and a somewhat bumpy ride, most owners praise its quiet operation, strong cutting ability, and durable construction. Overall, the Greenworks 60-volt zero-turn mower stands out as a smart choice for homeowners seeking a high-performance, low-noise, and environmentally friendly mower that can comfortably handle larger lawns with modern convenience and impressive power. The Toro TimeCutter 42-inch zero-turn mower is a well-balanced option for homeowners seeking reliable performance at a reasonable price point. Powered by a 22-horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, it delivers strong consistent power that handles regular lawn maintenance as well as taller grass without struggling or slowing down. Its 42-inch cutting deck offers an ideal size for medium-sized properties, making it especially suitable for yards of half an acre or more. The mower's controls are designed with simplicity in mind, giving users quick and convenient access to essential functions such as the choke, throttle, blade engagement, and deck height adjustment, which helps make operation smooth even for first-time zero-turn owners. Out of the box, it is configured for side discharge, but homeowners can expand its versatility with optional mulching and bagging kits to suit different lawn care preferences. In terms of cut quality, the TimeCutter performs impressively, producing clean, even results, and while very thick clippings may require a second pass for a perfect finish, it still handles demanding conditions efficiently. A few minor drawbacks include a non-adjustable seat height and the absence of a built-in hour meter for tracking maintenance schedules. However, considering its approximate price of $3,400, significantly lower than many competitors in the same category, it offers excellent overall value. With strong performance, user-friendly design, and affordability, the Toro TimeCutter stands out as a practical and dependable zero-turn mower for homeowners looking to upgrade their lawn care experience. The Cadet 30-inch 10.5 horsepower rear-engine riding mower is a practical and budget-friendly solution for homeowners with smaller yards of up to 1 acre who want the comfort of riding without the high cost of larger lawn tractors. Powered by a 10.5 horsepower engine, it delivers enough strength for regular mowing while remaining compact and efficient. Its 30-inch cutting deck is well suited for tight spaces and comes equipped with a mulch kit straight out of the box, allowing users to recycle grass clippings into the lawn without needing extra attachments. One of its biggest advantages is its tight 18-inch turning radius, which makes it easy to navigate around trees, garden beds, and other obstacles in compact yards. The mower also stands out with larger rear wheels compared to most rear-engine models, improving traction and stability when mowing on uneven ground, mild slopes, or softer soil conditions. This added control makes it more versatile than many entry-level riding mowers. To keep costs low, Cadet uses a manual transmission, which may require a short learning curve but is generally simple to operate and reliable over time. Overall, this riding mower strikes a strong balance between affordability, maneuverability, and functional performance, making it an appealing choice for homeowners who want a dependable machine for smaller properties without sacrificing key features like mulching capability and improved handling. The John Deere S142-inch lawn tractor is a reliable and budget-friendly option designed to deliver durability, versatility, and ease of use for homeowners who want dependable performance across different types of terrain. Built with a solid cast iron front axle, it offers enhanced strength and stability, allowing it to handle uneven ground with confidence while maintaining long-term durability. Power comes from a 17.5 horsepower engine that provides consistent cutting performance for medium-sized lawns without excessive fuel consumption. Its 42-inch cutting deck strikes a good balance between coverage and maneuverability and features 12 adjustable cutting height positions, letting users choose precise grass lengths ranging from 1 to 4 inches for a clean, customized finish throughout the growing season. The S100 is also designed to be reminder adaptable, supporting a range of optional accessories such as a mulch kit, grass bagger, front bumper, and tow-behind attachments, which expand its functionality beyond basic mowing. For control and ease of operation, it includes an 18-inch turning radius for navigating around obstacles and separate forward and reverse pedals that simplify speed changes and direction shifts. Comfort is another strong point, with an adjustable seat, built-in cup holder, and a small storage compartment that adds convenience during longer mowing sessions. The S100 is also designed to be reminder adaptable, supporting a range of optional accessories such as a mulch kit, grass bagger, front bumper, and tow-behind attachments, which expand its functionality beyond basic mowing. For control and ease of operation, it includes an 18-inch turning radius for navigating around obstacles and separate forward and reverse pedals that simplify speed changes and direction shifts. Comfort is another strong point, with an adjustable seat, built-in cup holder, and a small storage compartment that adds convenience during longer mowing sessions. Overall, the John Deere S100 combines sturdy construction, practical features, and user-friendly controls into an affordable lawn tractor that suits homeowners seeking dependable performance, comfort, and flexibility for maintaining their lawns efficiently.